I want to share with you three key things that I've learned over the last 7 years of being with myEcon. I got started back in 2018. So it's been a minute since I've been involved with myEcon, and I've learned a lot of things, experienced a lot of things, a lot of great ups and some downs. And I want to share all of that with you here in this video. And of the three things, number three is going to be the most important. So make sure you watch this entire video. Now, if you're new to this video, you're checking me out, you're looking at myEcon, maybe considering joining, do me a favor, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content, or if you're just here to the channel checking things out. Either way, welcome. Good to have you here. Thank you for watching this video. So now let's just can it and jump right into it and talk about the three specific things that I have learned, or really three of my biggest takeaways after being with myEcon for many, many years. Now, it's 2025 at the time of this video, so I'm not sure when you're going to watch this video. Hopefully it's relatively soon, but let's first talk about number one, which is the compensation plan. The compensation plan for me is one of their biggest assets. Now, they have great products, they have great services. This is not a full deep dive video where I'm going to go into every single aspect of myEcon. I'm just giving you some of the highlights and cliff notes and important things for you to consider and think about if you're looking to join, or maybe you just got started with myEcon and you're just trying to get maybe a little bit more information. So the compensation plan hasn't really varied all that much over the years, but there's a couple of things that I appreciate and I really like about their compensation plan is the fact that it is over the guideline, the threshold that I use when picking any sort of business opportunity, anything to promote, whether it's affiliate marketing or network marketing, is it has to be at least 50% direct commissions when you sponsor someone. That fast start sale, or the terminology can be different depending on the business or company, but fast start commission, direct commission, whatever it is, when you sponsor someone, I like that threshold to be above 50%. And with myEcon, it's 70%. Right now in 2025, they're running an extra promotion and it's up to 95% direct commissions, which is just absolutely crazy. So, what they do, some of the things that they do really well, which I'm really going to talk about more in number two, is they're constantly looking for ways to improve and get the field, the distributors, the affiliates, even more money. Okay. So up to 95% direct commissions right now with their compensation plan. Now, when you look at the renewals, there's really only two major facets. Well, actually three major facets to the compensation plan. You have direct commissions, you have overrides, which is when your team duplicates the money that you make between $1 and $10 per person, depending on what level you're at and what level they join at, which is great. And then the renewals, every single month, the percentage payout per person is about 23%. Okay. Now, if you look at any other compensation plan out there, I've seen as low as 25 cents, a freaking quarter per person, 25 cents per person is just a very low residual. With myEcon, that 23% can equate to anywhere between $1 to $13 per person. Again, depending on your rank and depending on what level the person joins at. I have not seen a higher dollar per renewal per person out there in the market. So number one, compensation plan. And every time they've made changes to the compensation plan, it's always to get the field more money. They have never taken money away and now you make less money, which I've been part of network marketing companies that do that. And I've had my income go from $15,000 a month down to $6,000 a month. Yikes. Real. That was real. It happened, unfortunately. But with myEcon, they've never done that sort of thing. Okay. So let's talk about number two. And I just recently hinted at this. Okay. So number two is they're always looking for ways to innovate. They're always looking for ways to improve their products. They're always looking for ways to improve things like their marketing system, and whether it be capture pages, sales funnels, sales videos, they're always improving. I've seen other affiliate and network marketing companies out there that they just put it out. It's on the website. It is what it is. And things never change. No matter how much you bark or kick or scream or supply feedback, things will just never change. And you constantly have to be, in today's day and age, society, technology, AI, all those things that are going on, You have to constantly be evolving. And I feel that myEcon has done a very solid job of that. And they've even, some of the feedback I've gotten on some of my videos here has been that, myEcon is antiquated, it's old, whatever. And yeah, myEcon is old in the fact that they've been around for 20 years. And the products which help everyday average people like credit repair or income shifting or taxes or debt elimination, all of those things are, well, products and services that are never going to change because they are designed to help the everyday average person. Now, they've gone in and they've updated videos, but at the end of the day, those products are going to be the products because they're always going to be in need. They're always going to be in demand. So, yes, myEcon has been around for a while, but they are constantly updating things like their training videos, even the products videos, their marketing system, their funnel page, their funnels, their capture pages, their sales videos, all of those things. They're constantly updating. They're even doing some things now, which I truly appreciate, is they're updating their shopping cart to make it smoother, more streamlined. So, we have less people that exit out and, have that shopping cart abandonment and more people that cross the finish line and join. So they're, again, constantly looking for ways to update and innovate and improve. So definitely something that I appreciate and I have seen over the last 7 years of being with myEcon. Now, number three, which I find really to be the most important. Now, you can equate this really to any business, any network marketing opportunity, any affiliate marketing opportunity, but I've seen it time and time and time and time again with myEcon is you never know who's going to join you, when they're going to join you, and who's going to rise up and become a great leader. I've experienced on so many different occasions with myEcon that, you know, I make a decent amount of sales, like a really good, solid, decent amount of sales every single week. And sometimes people just join me out of the blue. Sometimes people will watch one of my YouTube videos and they'll get started and I have no idea who these people are. And all of a sudden someone will come out of the woodwork and they start sponsoring, 5 or 10 or 15 or 20 people and they start having duplication and they start building and growing. Next thing you know, they're ranking up to platinum and then EVP Infinity and CEO. And it's just, you never ever know who is going to rise up and be a leader. Again, not only in myEcon, but just, any network marketing business. I've learned some very valuable lessons, being in this industry for the time that I have. So maybe take this as an added bonus or take this as, something you really want to hopefully heed this advice, but never ever decide for someone, never ever count anybody out. You just never know when it's the right time for that person. People have stuff going on in their lives. And I know when people are building their myEcon business and they're promoting and they're getting out there and they're like, oh, well, I'm not going to share this with that person because I know they're already going to say no. Why would you make that decision for them? Let them decide. Your only goal is to share the information and share it consistently, just like I'm doing right now on all of my YouTube videos. I get information and I share that with you. It's up to you to decide what you want to do with it. I would never turn anyone down, or I would never I would never not share information with somebody when that's me deciding for you. Why would I do that? Why would you do that? So I've learned over the years that you just never know. And the number one thing there is just to be consistent each and every single day. And a key thing, maybe consider this another bonus when it comes to the compensation plan. The keys to the myEcon compensation plan is going wide, bringing in as many people as you can. Now, I'm going to speak out of both sides of my mouth. You can build big and you can have a great team without sponsoring a lot of people. But the way that the compensation plan works is it's a unilevel. There's no matrix. There's no binaries. You don't have to worry about placement. I made that mistake back in the beginning. I was worried about placement, certain people joining certain people and creating depth. When you focus on the width and going wide and bringing in as many people as you can, the depth will happen when it's ready to happen because the builders are going to be the builders. And like I mentioned, you never know who's going to help you cross the finish line. So don't ever count anybody out. Hope you got value from this video. Hopefully you gained a little more insight. If you have any questions for me or about myEcon, I left my phone number right at the top of this video. Send me a text message. Ask me anything, and I'll be happy to help you out. If you made it to this point in the video yet, and for whatever crazy reason you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that now. It truly does help the channel out, and it also will notify you anytime I upload new content. Thank you for watching, my friend. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care.